pass it on.
When you get that happy feeling, pass it on.
Pass it on.
Good morning, fellow islanders. It seems we're blessed with yet another hot house of a day here on our precious island. Sunny skies, 86 degrees, and 100% humidity. Good times. Don't forget sunscreen and bottled water. The Sheriff's Department continues to suffer on mass resignations, apparently because of low wages and abysmal working conditions. Deputy Lacrosse told St. Monique Morning Post, blaming it on City Council. Ever so eloquent, he went so far as saying, "Sincerely hope you don't get burglarized, Mayor, because soon, mark my words, there won't be any officers left to protect this island." Harsh words. Lock your doors, people. Finally, the new highway Reed up north is back on track after last week's protests and is expected to be finished before year's end. Now, here's some more music. Carl, did you feel that? Was that a quake?
And if it's happiness you're after, pass it on.
Pass it on.
Just be glad that you can spare it, because it's more fun when you share it. So when your heart is full of laughter,
And when your cup is running over,
and when you get that happy feeling,
pass it on.
Good morning, ladies and gents. Before you...
Now, where did I put that three-piece suit? A red envelope. Could only mean one of two things. Secret admirer, or someone wants to murder me. Miss Landlord. Definitely a love letter. Let's see. 3 months overdue on rent. Yeah, I got till the end of next week. Great. Another one for the pile. Yep, honeymoon's definitely over. This is my journal. I don't go anywhere without it. Definitely not for publication. I used to scribble down my engineering notes back in the day. Now it mostly contains my thoughts.
With the help of We Deliver, anyone can...
I should go there ASAP. Desperately need a job. Where'd I put the damn keys this time? Breathe, Winston. You know what? Screw it. Not as if my life hasn't been completely stripped clean anyways.
Well, this car, it's Mr. Palmer's. Oh, come on. Mr. Palmer left the car in reverse.
Okay, let's give it another try.
You're nuts!
What was the name of that company again? We Deliver? I should head there. Hopefully they still have a spot open. I guess I can always check the tourist map if I lose my way. Just a scratch.
Oh, a peculiar place.
Please don't step in it.
Right. Hi. Where can I find the administrator?
Which one? The nice one? Or the asshole?
Oh, the asshole. Gee, I don't know. The former? Looking for a job.
Desk, warehouse, or courier work?
There was an ad on the radio?
Ah, Harold then. Good for you. Up the stairs, 1 floor, office. Can't miss it.
Thank you.
Oh, and please don't step in it.
2nd floor it is then. This door, perhaps? Remember, this is your life now. Wonder what Winston from 2 years ago would say if he knew.
Come in.
Here goes nothing.
Yes? Can I help you, young man? Yeah, shoot. Where are my manners? Harold F. Girther, CEO, but you can call me Harold. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Winston. Sir Winston Green. I heard an ad on the radio. Said you're hiring?
On the radio? This morning, you mean? Wait. Now, that was a while ago. They must have mixed their tapes up. How embarrassing.
You mean there's no job?
Oh, I'm sorry, son. You're not from here, are you?
Well, actually, I grew up on a farm, sir. A couple of hours south of New Reed. Where's Johnny?
Ah, you must be Winston. You see, I'm the one who orchestrates the flow of everything, from the tiniest paperclip to the largest orders. You'll be receiving your assignments directly from me. It's crucial to understand that I have refined these processes to perfection over my years here. Adherence to my methods is not just expected, it's essential for our collective success. Remember, Winston, in this pond, I'm the one who keeps the ecosystem balanced. I look forward to seeing if you can swim with the current. A company car is parked outside. Go find it, and I'll call you on the radio with instructions for your first delivery.
Gee whiz, smells like a fish market in here.
Winston, there is a parcel waiting for you at a shop at the north side of St. Monique City. The Palm Royal are preparing for their big Vicennial celebrations. You are to transport something they ordered as part of their grand finale.
Oh, you're here to pick up the Kiloton Calamity? Great, it's out back. Where do you need me to sign? Just wait for a moment before you load it up, okay?
Huh. Okay.
Ow!
Seems my time at the farm was good for something. Oops. That was weird. Whoa, shit!
Face the music. Enough.
I've had it. That's settled. Need glasses?
Beat it, pal!
Take cover!
Watch your step!
That's it!
Let's
Stay down!
Stay down!
Space, please! Enough! Sit down!
Extinguisher.
Tit for tat!
Are you sure that I should sign for this, sir? I'm just a bellboy, and this doesn't seem right.
I should find my pickup truck before I use the radio.
Brakes!
Got another delivery for me?
Winston, there is a customer with a parcel waiting for you outside of the Sunset Sip.
Just a scratch. Oops.
Hey, over here. Hey, pal. Glad you showed up. I just need you to load up this...
Oops.
So many melons.
Hey, buddy, what's your name?
Winston, at your service.
Pleasure to meet you, Winston. First off, I need you to drive to Sunkissed Farms. I bought these melons for cheap. Never mind what the old broad says. We'll find a buyer, just you wait.
This is a scratch.
There's nothing wrong with these fruits that can't be fixed with a bit of razzle-dazzle.
Crap.
Buddy of mine works here. Says I can borrow their pesticide washer, no problem.
Ooh, yikes.
Watch the melons.
They're going through. Hurry up and catch them. That takes care of the smell. Next up is Dave's Dies. You park the car under the outlet and give it a good spritzing while I go talk to my buddy, the foreman. Hey, Freddy, old buddy, how's the missus? Come on, Winston, get going. I can only keep him distracted for so long.
Oops. Picture this.
Look at that marvelous shine. Now, bring them over to the Sunset Sip.
Oops. Whoops. Ooh, yikes.
Screw loose! This is the end.
Watch the melon.
Cut him down!
Oh, now these look excellent.
Watch your step.
I should hurry back till we deliver.